Hi all, welcome to dhtrader.com. This is a very quick video update with regards to the cable. So looking at GBP US dollar. Here what we've had is a very strong downwards movement during the past few months, as most of you will have known. We're looking at the daily chart now. We've drawn this red bearish, or shall we say red downwards trend line here that we've observed, and we've tested 3-4 times already. And what we've had here, as you can see, this green line is a bullish divergence. A bullish divergence indicates a difference between the course price and price action. Therefore, also indicates the likeliness, high likeliness of trend change. Nevertheless, as you can see, on this day, it was the 3rd of October, we actually made a low at the 1.5950 mark, roughly. Bounced back up, touched the trend line, withheld, came back down to the 158.70 approximately, which is a lower low in a way. Nevertheless, we've got a new divergence here that has formed, as you can see on the stochastics, whereby the low would become higher, and as such this is usually also a very strong indication of a trend change. Here you can see we've broken this trend line, we've retested it, i.e. we've kissed it goodbye, and we should now be heading, as we have closed slightly below. My guess is as soon as we close above the 20 EMA moving average, we will be heading at least initially to the other side of the Bollinger Band. So we're actually looking at an initial increase, or let's say upwards movement to the 62.50 mark, and then obviously possibly higher following a new upwards movement. So yeah, my guess is this is definitely now the end of the bearish trend. We're now into a bullish market, I believe. As you can see on the daily chart, we've entered a pulse. We've got two red dots here that I'm indicating. This pulse shows us low volatility in the market, and therefore we will be seeing an explosive movement either to the upside or the downside, should it fire long or short. My guess is we'll be firing long here. If we have a look at the weekly chart, which is what we've got here, we've had a pulse that fired short here on the 17th of August, indicating the movement towards the downside. We were at 1.66 when we had the clear indication of a downwards movement. Actually went all the way down to 1.5950. And now this downwards movement, this downwards pulse, as you can see, has changed color. We're now at a darker red bar, which showing loss of momentum in the downwards movement, and this is always usually translated, as you can see previously there, when we lose momentum we go back to the upside, which is what we should be seeing here, a decent little pullback. If we have a look at the this downwards movement, we had an important trend line here at this level. I'll just draw it for you. Very important trend line here at this level that we broke. So I do believe that we should be going back to the 62.80 level roughly to retest this, kiss it goodbye. We either re-enter an upwards movement, so we break it and we go back to the upside, or we will be touching this level and then continuing our way down. This obviously is left to interpretation. We'll have to wait and see what happens, but initially definitely we will be going to the upside, I do believe, on the GBP US dollar. Well, I hope this helps.